Hi there, how's it going? Are you good? Glad to hear it. We've got a bunch of videos to go through right now, so let's get to it. And here is the first one. It's a Philips system with Wux technology. Wux. Such a weird name. The next one we have is this. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but the box these speakers are in is made out of cardboard. And the next one we have is this, but check this out, he's playing my tracks from SoundCloud. I haven't had my tracks on SoundCloud in a long time. Wait a minute. 11/12/2019. Okay. Wait a minute. Turning the volume up. Oh, he's turned it back down. He turned the volume down when he heard the speaker make a weird noise. Alright, anyway, just wanted to show you this because I wanted to mention SoundCloud. SoundCloud, I hit the upload limit on it, and the only way to upload more was to pay for it, which is what I was doing for a while. Then I decided to stop. I mean, what's the point when I can upload to YouTube for free and it's unlimited? And the next one we have is this. It's a DIY 5.1 system. And it seems as though this guy knows what he's doing.
MyStonerMind.
And the next one we have is this. It's the Polkrti A1. Now once again, this has got to be pretty loud. And it ends. And because that was so short, we have a part 2 from the same guy. That subwoofer is a Paradigm PDR 100. And here I am, saying that as though I'm not reading it from something. Nice, the entire box is moving. And the next one we had has been removed. But that's okay because the next one we have is this. Harman Kardon AVR. Got QLN towers. And that is a Dantax 12-inch subwoofer. And the next one, which was supposed to be a kicker sub inside of a car, has also been deleted. But that's alright, because we have this, which is filmed in portrait mode. an inverted sub. His amp wanted to protect. And the next one we have is this. We have a gas subwoofer. Knob sound. So we have two gas subs. Got one on the floor and one on top of the desk. And the next one we have is this. So we have a laptop on top of a bed. And that's an LG subwoofer. And we have some bookshelf speakers. The sub looks as though it's maybe out of phase. Might want to flip it 180 degrees. Bookshelf speakers are going for it. And by the way, I like your wallpaper. Just thought I'd add that. And the next one we have is this. Apparently it's leaking a bit of air, but it does the job well. The sound system is mainly designed to play dub reggae. And the next one we have is this. It's a Rockford Fosgate Punch. And the next one we have is this. Teak. What is he doing? Turning up the bass. So there we have the subwoofer. As you can see, it's ribbed for his pleasure. Nice amount of excursion. And the next one we have is this. So he's hacked a radio or something like that. So we have a power supply. And we have a speaker on the floor. So what he's going to do is turn up the volume. And show some excursion. It's alright. It's alright. Video quality is a bit meh, but it was sent to me on Instagram. And next we have this. Whatever that is, it's definitely being pushed. And there we have the port for it on the side. So I'm assuming this is for maybe some car or something. I'm just going to assume it's for a car, yeah. Not like it really matters. I'm probably wrong. But I also don't care. And next we have this. So we have 2 subs on the floor. But we have these 2 on the side. And that is an amp on the top. Audio pipe. Very nice. And then it ended. Alright, so that's all for now. I will catch you in the next one.